Here we have a feature branch with two commits, F1 and F2. Now, let's say one of these commits, like F1, has some interesting changes we want to have in master, but we're not quite ready to merge our feature branch into master. What should we do now? This is where we use cherry picking. So we can cherry pick this particular commit and apply it on top of master. Let me show you how to do this. Here in our history, you can see that our feature branch is one commit ahead of master. Now we're going to bring this particular commit into master without merging. So I'm going to copy this commit ID. Now we're currently on master. We type git cherry-pick and then type the commit ID. Here we have a conflict in table of content.txt. So let's open up our merge tool. Now in this demo, I'm going to take the changes in the remote branch, which is our feature branch. So I'm going to select this purple icon. Good. Save the changes. Close the merge tool. We're back here. As you can see in the terminal window, we are in the middle of a cherry pick. Let's have a quick look at our staging area. So our table of content file has some changes that are in the staging area. We also have this directory here, ds_store. Don't worry about it. This is only for Mac computers. This is one of those standard directories that we need to include in our gitignore file. For now, let's not worry about it. So let's make a commit. I'm not going to specify a message. The default message that we have here is based on the commit that we were trying to cherry pick. So we can accept it or change it if necessary. Now, close. Back in the terminal. Let's look at our history one more time. So master has moved forward. And now we have this new commit that we cherry picked from our feature branch.